This is not an approval flow based on workflows in Business Central, and it will be based completely on approvals in Power Automate. To start, you need to open Power Automate Studio to select Create and choose Automated Flow title. First, name your flow in Flow Name field and type Business Central in the Choose Your Flows trigger field to find the trigger you want. Scroll down and select when record is modified trigger. Just click Create. When trigger appears, you need to choose your company in the company name field. In our case, we will use Kronos Company. As a table name, choose company information and click the Next Step command to add an action. In the box that shows Search Connectors and Actions, choose Business Central Connector and then select Get Records action. In the form that appears, in the company name, choose the company you selected in the trigger. As a table name, choose company information and in the row ID, select row ID from dynamic content. Select the Next Step command to add new action. In the box that shows, choose Approvals. Before you select approval process, you can learn here about them. Select Start and wait for approval. In the form that appears, choose the approval type. In this example, we will use Approval Reject First to Response. After you choose one of types, new fields will appear in the form. In the title box, type title you want to use. We will enter Request Approval from Change in Company Information. In the Assign to box, type or paste your email address, then select your name from the list of contacts that appears. In the Details box, you can enter the text with details about changes. For example, enter the text one or more information for company and then add token display name from dynamic content. Then add the text has been changed. Select the Next Step command to add new action. In the box that shows, choose Control and select Apply to each. Select the box in a new form and from dynamic content, choose Response token. Select the Add Action command in Apply to each form. In the box that shows Search Connectors and Actions, choose Office 365 Outlook connector and then select the Send an Email action. In the form that appears, type or paste your email address into two boxes, then select your name from the list of contacts that appears. In the subject box, type Confirmation. Select the body box and then add tokens approval ID and details from dynamic content. After that, add the text has approved by and again add token response approve name from dynamic content. Now we finished, and on the end you just need to click Save command to save this flow. Now let's make a look to our Business Central. In the search pane, enter company information and then choose the related link. On the company information page, change the city and delete address too. Close the page and move back to Power Automate. Select My Flows. Then select your new flow and now you can test it. Currently, we don't have any run of this flow. Refresh all runs on the Run tab. You will see that your approval flow has status running. If you look at your flow, you will see that your flow finished first 2 steps and now it waits on an approval process. Expand an Actions item and select Approvals. You will see on the Approvals form we have new approval, which you can approve or reject. Select Approve and you will get details about approval process, where you can add some comment and confirm approval. You can also reject from here if you want it, or reassign it to another person. Select Confirm. Now, when you click My Flow and select the flow we just used, you will see that this time it has succeeded status. If you check your email to verify if you received an approval email, you would see that you received 2 mails. In the last one, you will see that you got confirmation email. In previous email, you had an opportunity to approve or reject approval, but as we already did it in Power Automate, you will see that mail shows you have already completed this request.